Guys, we're about to do some curry chicken and we are in the process of cleaning up our chicken. So we are cleaning up our chicken. Right? We're gonna do some curry chicken, yardman style. So cleaning up the chicken. So you remove the chicken skin. Guys, we're chopping up our chicken now. Curry. Wash and clean up. I wash my chicken with vinegar, but as I tell you, you can use lime and wash your chicken. Because growing up, my mother always used lime to wash her meat overall. So when you're finished with your chicken, you make your chicken properly drain because your chicken have to drain. You don't want any water on it. Alright, guys? So this is some seasoning, earth seasoning I cut up over here. As you can see, my pepper, my ginger beat up, and my garlic. Alright? I use 4 cloves of garlic. Some more earth seasoning. I use 1 whole onion. I use a lot of earth seasoning, guys. In cooking, I use a lot of earth seasoning. I don't know about anybody, but I love to use a lot of earth seasoning. So this is my curry. This is Indian curry, right? So I'm gonna pour this in all over the chicken. Yeah, that is our Indian curry. This is my all-purpose and my chicken mixed up together. I don't like a lot of powder seasoning, as I tell you before. I am an earth seasoning person. You pour it all around on the chicken. This is my salt. Take into consideration, guys, the powder season that I just used in it, it have salt in it, all right? So this is the amount of salt that you need. Don't need a whole lot. Whereas if you're cooking for a person with pressure, don't use too much salt. So we are about to stir up our chicken. Rub in the seasoning our chicken. Alright, so yeah. Yardman style curry chicken. Rub in the seasoning in our chicken. That smells good. So guys, make your pot hot. Alright, this is a teaspoon of vegetable oil. Teaspoon of vegetable oil I'm putting in my pot. So you let that so guys, you put a teaspoon of oil in your Dutch pot and you swirl it around, right? So that the meat don't stick up in the pot. You don't need much oil because remember chicken have oil in it, a lot of oil too, you know. All right, so there we go. The pot is very hot. All right, after the oil, you're gonna put in your curry chicken. Don't want it to stick to the pot, you know, guys. So you have to make the pot hot. Hot so till you see the smoke coming out of the pot. That's how you know your pot is hot. After putting out your chicken in the pot, pouring out the chicken in your Dutch pot, guys, you don't put any water on it. You leave it because it springs its own water. So guys, finish with my rice. Leave my rice in my rice cooker to steam. So I'm back to look at my chicken. Just testing it. See, you see that, guys? A lot of water. That coming like me put water on it, right? No, 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 I did not put any water on it. I did not put any water. See that? Bring it on the water. All you need to do is cover it, alright? Yup. So guys, I'm about to check my chicken, my curry chicken. So I am back. And see what I was telling you about water? You don't need to put any water on your chicken. See that, guys? Spring its own water. Lovely. Lovely. Right? See how it is springing the water? Nice. So just finished checking on my chicken. So we're gonna do some rice. We're gonna have rice with the chicken. So I'm using brown rice. I'm cooking for a small family. So I'm using 4 cups of this brown rice here. Right? 4 cups. So guys, this is 4 cups of rice. I am washing my rice now. Right? I'm gonna wash my rice 4 times. Guys, so the washing process of the rice is finished. So I'm about to put it in my pot. Alright, I put some butter, a pinch of salt. Make your ancestor guide you. I've been doing this for a long time. So you know what I do. Yeah. So I'm putting in my rice. That's my brown rice. Well washed and everything, guys. As I tell you before, I'm cooking for a small family. So I use 4 cups of rice, depending on the amount of person you're cooking for. Guys, finish with my rice. Leave my rice in my rice cooker to steam. So I'm back to look at my chicken. Just testing it. See, you see that, guys? A lot of water. That coming like me put water on it, right? No, 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 I did not put any water on it. I did not put any water. See that? Bring it on the water. All you need to do is cover it, alright? Yup. Style, you know, you have to put in an Irish and a carrot in your curry chicken. Where the curry chicken people in there, you know, you can't cook a curry chicken without your Irish or your carrot. You can't leave that out, guys. Would not be hard man style if you leave that out. Alright, people, you have to wash your Irish, then you peel it, right? The Irish, then you wash your carrot, and you scrape your carrot. You don't peel your carrot, alright? When I say scrape your carrot, this is what I mean. You scrape your carrot, you don't peel it. Carrot don't peel, no time at all. Scrape your carrot. Alright, guys, just like the carrot, you scrape your potato, right? Scrape your potato. You can peel it. A lot of people peel their potato, you know, but I scrape mine. You see that? Scrape your potato. You don't have to peel it. Alright? That's the procedure. Alright, guys, so after I finish scraping my Irish and scraping my carrot, I dice them up. I dice up both of them. So now I'm gonna toss this into the pot. So come along, guys. Yep. Curry chicken looking lovely. I'm back to look at my curry chicken, guys. I'm about to put my carrot in. Guys, I'm about to put my carrot in. I love to put my carrot in when my curry chicken is finished. Why? I don't like when my carrot is cooked out. I like when it have that crunchy taste. So this is my carrot all diced up. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cover back the pot let the steam. I'm gonna cover the pot, wrap the stove off, and let the steam cook my carrot. So my curry chicken is finished. Voila! Turning off my stove. There. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As I tell you earlier on, I was doing curry chicken yardman style. So this is the finished product, guys. A whole lot of vegetable. I love vegetable. Yardman style. I'm out.